in the lesson number 45 of grade 2 mathematics. And we started yesterday revision. What we studied yesterday, we studied the concept of division, that in divisions we share in the number of equal groups. When we talk about to share in equal groups, equal number of groups, so we use the division method. We also studied some of the examples, like there was example of the biscuit. There were 24 biscuits and they were in group of 6. So in each plate there were 4 biscuit first, and there were 6 plates. So there were total 24 biscuits because 6 groups of 4. But what we did, when we divide these 24 biscuits by 4 plates, first they were in 6 plates, so they were 4. But when we divide it in 6 plates, so we got to know that there are now, if we divide 24 biscuits in 4 plates, so we will have 6 biscuits in one plate. And we also see that when we divide 24 biscuits in 6 plates, so we are going to have 4 biscuits in each plate. What we learned here also, that if 6 multiplied by 4 equals to 24 and 4 multiplied by 6 equals to 24, that's mean if I divide 24 by 6, so I will get the number which is left, that is 4. Or if I divide 24 by 4, so I will get the number which is left, that is 6. What we practice here, we practice here the number of cherries. First, there were cherries equally with between two girls. So there were two groups of 7 and there were total 14 cherries. When we divide 14 cherries equally between two girls, so this is number of cherries in one group and two groups. So when we divide 14 by 2, we get 7. We check the table of 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, and 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 5, 6, sorry, 2, 4, 8, 2, 5, 10, and 2, 6, 12, like this. So 2, 7, 14, in that way. Okay. So today what we are going to do, today we are going to practice for division and multiplication. For that I'm going to revise first what we revised yesterday. If we multiply 2 by 7, that is equals to 14. All right. And if we divide 14 by 2, so it will be also 7. Or if I divide 14 by 7, if I divide 14 by 7, it will be also equals to 2. I should close the chat. Now it's okay. Yes, guys. If 2 multiplied by 7 equals to 14, that's mean if I divide 14 by 2, so I am going to get the answer 7. And if I divide 14 by 7, so I'm going to get the answer 2. If there are two groups and there are 7 cherries in one group, so there will be total 14 cherries. Same, if I have 14 cherries and I want to divide into two equal groups, so then I'm going to have 7 cherries in one group. Or if I want to have 7 cherries in one group, how many groups am I going to have? So I am going to have 2 groups for that. Same, if 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8 and I divide 8 by 4, so the answer will be 2. Because how many times do I need to read the table of 4 in order to get 8? 2. Let's look here. If I write here like this, 4 multiplied by dash equals to 2. It equals to 8. So 4, 1, 4 and 4, 2, 8. So that's mean 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. In the same way, if I ask you 8 divided by 2 equals to what? So you will say, sir, it will be 4. Why? Because you know 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. If you divide 8 by 4, so you will get 2. If you divide 8 by 2, you will get 4. Okay. Or you can also check like this. 4 multiplied by dash sorry, yes, 4 multiplied by dash equals to 8. So you 414 and 428 in that way. Now come to the exercise here, division related to multiplication. Well, now we have to find out the missing numbers. 5 multiplied by 4, then 20 divided by 5. So guys, 5 multiplied by 4 equals to, now I'm going to ask to one of you. Ashraf Abdul Baki. Ashraf, Yusuf Ali, and guys, this is not from the book, okay? Don't need to open your books. These are just we are practicing division before we go to the book questions. Muhammad Farooq, please open your mic. Muhammad Farooq, Amal, hello.
Yes, yes. Hello, sir.
I'm going to open one by one, guys. Your mic, please open your mics. Muhammad Farooq.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad Farooq. Can you tell me 5 multiplied by 4 equals to what?
5 multiplied by 4 is 20.
20. Like this. So can you
Yes.
tell me 20 divided by 5 will be equal to what?
What?
If 5 by 4 equals to 20,
Yes.
then 20 divided by 5 equals to what?
I didn't hear you very well. Repeat it again.
I am saying if 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20, then 20 divided by 5 equals to what?
20 divided by 5.
Yes.
20 divided by 5. 25.
No.
No.
You check 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. So 5 multiplied by what number equals to 20?
20.
5 multiplied by what number equals to 20? How many times you read 5 table to get 20?
4.
So 20 divided by 5 equals to what?
4.
4. Okay?
Oh, okay.
In that way you have to answer.
Okay.
what?
Alright. Amal.
Yes.
Yes, Amal. If 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20, can you tell me 20 divided by 5 equals to what?
If I multiply by 20.
No, 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20, right? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Now, can you tell me 20 divided by 5 equals to what?
Equals to 4.
Very good. Because from here you can easily see that 5 multiplied by what number will give you 20? 4. So the answer will be 4. How many times if you read the table of 5 to get 20? 4 times. Okay. Amal, if I ask you 20 divided by 4 equals to what? Then what will be your answer?
20 divided by 4
Yes.
equals to 5.
Very good. Because you know that you multiply 4 5 times to get 20. Okay. Thank you. So 20 divided by 5 equals to 4.
20 divided by 5 equals to 4.
Very good. So I'm going to write here 4. Okay, now I will ask Muhammad Abdul Rahim Faris. Muhammad Abdul Rahim Faris.
Yes.
Yes, Muhammad Abdul Rahim. Can you tell me 8 multiplied by 5 equals to what?
14.
14 or 40?
40.
40. This one, 8 multiplied by equals 5 equals to 40. Now, can you tell me 40 divided by 8 equals to what?
5.
How do you know?
Because it's opposite.
Exactly, because it is opposite. 8 multiplied by 5 equals to 40. So if you divide 40 by 8, so that means 5 will be the answer because you read the table of 8 5 times to get 40. Very good. Okay. Saud.
Yes, sir.
Saud, can you tell me if 8 multiplied by 5 equals to 40, 40 divided by 8 equals to what?
8.
Now, 40 divided by 8 equals to what? Check here, table of 8. How many times you read the table of 8 in order to get 40? Check.
5 times.
5 times. So 40 divided by 8 equals to
5.
5. Very good. The answer is 5. Okay. Let me check with one more student. Amjad Muhammad. Amjad Muhammad. Abdulaziz Muhammad.
Yes.
Yes, Abdulaziz. If 8 multiplied by 5 equals to 40, can you tell me 40 divided by 8 equals to what?
40.
Yes.
No, I mean 5.
Very good. How do you know?
Opposite.
Yes, because division is the opposite. If 8 you read 5 times, so you get 40. That's why 5 will be the answer. Okay, if I ask you 40 divided by 5 equals to what then?
And 8.
The answer will be 8. Because you know 8, if you multiply 8 by 5, you will get 40. So if you divide 40 by 5, so the answer will be 8. If you divide 40 by 8, the answer will be 5. Okay, very good. Again, I repeat, guys, because 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. So if I divide 20 by 4, so I will get the answer 5. If I divide 20 by 5, I will get the answer 4. Same here, 8 and 5. If you multiply 8 and 5, you get 40. So if I divide 40 by 8, the answer will be 5. And if I divide 40 by 5, the answer will be 8 because multiplication is the opposite of division. If I multiply 5 8 times, I will get 80. If I divide 40 by 8, I will get 5. So I'm going to write here 8 by 5 is equals to 40 and 40 by 8 equals to 5.
أقول انتبه الأستاذ ده بيفيد شنو؟ كلاس 2 نوفمبر أنا مو نوفمبر أنا أكتوبر لسه
Amjad.
يس قول يس وات
Amjad.
قول لي يس شغل الميكروفون
Yes, can you tell me 9 multiplied by 6 equals to what?
ريبيت don't
Check the table of
know.
6 9 times. Or check the table of 9 6 times.
54.
54. Very good. 9 multiplied by 6 equals to
54.
54. Very good. Okay. If I divide 54 by 6, then what will be the answer?
9.
How do you know? Yes.
Say it.
How do you know that 54 divided by 6 equals to 9? Because you know 9 multiplied by 6 equals to 54. If you divide 54 by 6, so that's mean you read the table of 9 6 times in order to get 54. Okay, multiplication is just opposite of division. How many times you check the table, read the table of 9, read the table of 6 to get 54? So the answer will be 9. 6, you will read the table of 6 9 times to get 54. If I ask you 54 divided by 9 equals to what? So you will say, sir, 6. Because 9 multiply by 6 will give you 54. So if you divide 54 by 6, the answer will be another multiple, which is 9. Or if you divide 54 by 9, the answer will be 6. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Is guys, do you understand this division related to multiplication? All of you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. 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 Yes.
Now, Ilyas.
يس يلا يلا قم ثلاثة
Ilyas.
ثلاثة في ثلاثة في
Ilyas.
نعم سير.
Yes, Ilyas. Can you tell me 54 divided by 6 equals to what?
9.
9. Very good, very good. Okay. Arsh Shabab. Arsh Shabab. Arsh Shabab. Can you hear me? Suleiman Saleh. Suleiman Saleh.
Yes.
Suleiman, if I ask you 54 divided by 9 equals to what? Can you tell me? If 9 multiplied by 6 equals to 54, so 54 divided by 9 equals to what?
9 divided by 6.
Yes.
54.
9 multiplied by 6 equals to 54. It's okay. But if I divide 54 by 9, what will be the answer?
6.
Very good, very good. The answer will be 6. Very good, Suleiman. Because you know 9 multiplied by 6 equals to 54. Okay, very good. All right. Muhammad said. So I'm going to write here 9, 54.
Yes, sir.
Muhammad said, this is the question. 3 multiplied by dash equals to 27.
What?
3 multiplied by what number equals to 27? Here. Yes. 3 multiplied by what number will give you 27?
9.
9. Very good. So 27 divided by 3 equals to what?
9.
9. Very good. Because 3 multiplied by 9 equals to 27. So if you divide 27 by 3, you will get 9. Okay, very good.
Yes.
Very good. Now, Rafiq. Hello, Rafiq. Can you hear me, Rafiq? No? Sharif Ahmad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sharif. 3 multiplied by dash equals
Yes.
27.
3 multiplied by 9 equals to 27. And 9 multiplied by 3 equals to 27.
27 divided by 3 equals to what?
Equals to 9. And
Mm,
27 division 9 equals to 3.
very good. Because 3 multiplied by 9 equals to 27. So if you divide 27 by 3, the answer will be 9. Because 9 multiplied by 3 equals to 27. So
Yeah.
if you divide 27 by 9, the answer will be same, 3. So in the both boxes, the answer will be same. Because
Yes.
3 multiplied by any number will give you 27. That's mean you are dividing
Yes.
27 by 3. Okay, very good. Very good, Sharif.
Yes.
Abdul Rahim Fadi. Abdul Rahim Fadi. Abdul Rahim Fadi. Speak up, please. Adam Khalid.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Adam. Can you tell me 3 multiplied by dash equals to 27?
9.
And 27 divided by 3 equals to what?
9.
Very good. Can you tell me 9 multiplied by dash equals to 27?
3.
Very good. And 27 divided by 9 equals to what?
3.
Very good. 3 multiplied by 9 equals to 27. That's mean 27 by 3 equals to also 9. 27 divided by 3 means we will check how many times we read the table of t in order to get 27. So that is 9. Both are same. Very good. Very good. Ahmad Al Rufai. Ahmad Muhammad Al Rufai. Can you hear me? Ahmad Muhammad Al Rufai. Can you hear me? Ahmad Yusuf. Yes, Ahmad Muhammad. Can you hear
What,
me?
sir?
Yes.
What, sir?
9
What, sir?
9 multiplied by what number will give you 27?
Huh?
9 multiplied by what number will
9.
give you 27? Yes. How many times you check read the table of 9 to get 27? Yes.
3. 3. 3.
Okay. And 27 divided by 9 equals to what?
3.
Very good. Very good. They are both answers 3. Because 9 1 9, 9 2 18, and 9 3 27. Very good. Okay. Now, Miraj, can you hear me? Miraj, Ayan, Ayan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ayan. Can you tell me 9 multiplied by dash equals to 27?
3.
3. And 27 divided by 3 equals to what? 27 divided by 3 equals to what? Or 27 divided by 9
9.
in. Very good. And 27 divided by 9 equals to what?
9.
No, 27 divided by 9. This one.
3.
Very good. The answer is 3. Very good. Both answer will be same. 9 multiplied by 3 equals to 27. So 27 divided by 9 is also equals to 3. Very good. Okay. Alwali Sultan. Yes, Alwali, can you hear me? Alwali, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 8 multiplied by what number will give you 32? How many times you read the table of 8 in order to get 32?
Mm, 59.
Now, 8 multiplied by 1 equals to what?
9.
8 multiplied by 1 equals to 9.
Yes.
How 9? Do you know the table of 8?
No.
Do you know the table of 4? Can you tell me 4 multiplied by what number will give you 32?
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
Yes. How many times you read the table of 4 in order to get 32?
39.
Read the table of 4. 4 1. 4 multiplied by 1 4. 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. 4
8.
multiplied by 3 equals
9.
12. 4 multiplied by 4 equals
12.
16.
16.
4 multiplied by 5 equals
16.
20. You don't know the
20.
table of 4. 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24. 4 multiplied by 7 equals 28. And 4 multiplied by 8 equals 30. I told you guys you should know the tables. If you want to have good command on the multiplication and division, you should know the tables. So 4 multiplied by 8 equals to 32. 32. Okay. Let me check with one more student. Os, can you hear me? Os, can you hear me? Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can you tell me 8 multiplied by what equals to 32? What number you should multiply by 8 in order to get 32? Or how many times you read the table of 8 to get 32?
4.
4. Very good. So 32 divided by 8 equals to?
32. 4.
Very good. Because 8 multiplied by 4 equals to 32. That's why 32 divided by 8 will also be 4. Both answer will be same. Very good. So I'm going to write here answer. The answer is 4. Okay. Now I'm going to ask with iPhone. Who is this iPhone? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
What's your name?
Ayman.
Okay, Ayman, can you tell me 4
Yeah.
multiplied by what number equals to 32? Or how many times
Eight.
you... Very good. And 32 divided by 4 equals to...
Uh,
That will be same.
eight.
Yes, that will be same. Don't need to think because how many times you read the table of 4 to get 32? 8. So 32 divided by 4 will also be 8. Okay. If I ask you 32 divided by 8, then what will be your answer?
Yeah.
32 divided by 8 will be
Eight.
4. Okay, because 8 multiplied by 4 equals to 32. Guys, I'm repeating again. 8 multiplied by 4 equals to 32. I can also write 4 multiplied by 8 also equals to 32. Right? If I divide 32 by any of the number, if I divide it
Okay.
by 8, so the answer will be 4. Or if I divide it by
Yeah.
4, so the answer will be 8. If I divide by 8, the answer will be the next one. 32 divided by 8. So which is the next number? 4. If I divide 32 by 4, so the answer will be 8. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
this is very simple, like this.
Yeah.
So guys, we have today practiced of multiplication related to division, division related to multiplication. So you see here, if you multiply 5 by 4, you get 20. So 20 divided by 5 will be
Yeah.
also 4. This is
Okay.
very good. So just I'm revising, 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20. So 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. Why? Because you read the table of 5 4 times to get 20. Same here. 8 multiplied by 5 equals to 40, and you know that multiplication is opposite of division. So 8 multiplied by 5 equals to 40. How many times you read the table of 8 to get 40? 5 times. So also 40 divided by 8 will be equal to 5. In that way we have solved it. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will practice more about the division. Tomorrow means next week, and inshallah, next week we will start the book also. I hope you understand. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.